All right, we have moved on to our second Airbnb in Brașov. We were gonna actually rebook our first one for another week, and someone had booked it, so that was totally a bummer. But we got a place, and it was only like 2 blocks away, and we just took like a 50-cent Uber over here. It was awesome. But yeah, I'll start just inside the doorway. Here is the little dining kitchen nook area here. It's got a microwave, stove, little coffee maker. He actually just whipped out the instructions for us in case there was any issues with getting the coffee going. So that was very nice. He explained that there are pots and pans and dishes there for us to cook. Nice little two-person nook there with a couple little stools. That's pretty awesome. Rachel's over there enjoying the view from the little patio area. But I'm gonna head this way. He's got the fridge squeezed over here since there isn't much room over there, but that's fine, no worries there. Little storage area. You've noticed there's quite a few little storage areas in here. Little vanity mirror for you to check yourself out when you come out of the restroom. Little spot to hang some coats or a towel or whatever, I guess there. One of the things I was really looking forward to in this stay was this big old tub because it's actually fairly cold and windy. It's been snowing a lot here. And so to be able to come in here and soak your bones after you've been out walking around in the snow in the city. Very clean bathroom. Everything looks nice in here. Got your heated towel dryer there. Looks good. Coming into the living room. Looks like he's got a little blaster there if we want to put on some music. Possibly Bluetooth, who knows. Couch and a couple of seats here, which is nice. This is one of the larger living room areas we've seen here in Romania since we got here. So that's nice. We'll be able to sprawl out and just sit and watch some television. Looks like there's also a DVD player there. Got a little bit of a modern bit of style trying to get across here, I guess. Little desk area here. Very nice little work area. Got the Wi-Fi just there so you can get in that little corner and get your work done. And here's just another little area. You could probably have some tea, or maybe you could even sit here and eat with the window open. Let's see what kind of view we're working with here. They did say it was going to start snowing, and they didn't lie, because it's just about that time that they said it was going to snow, and it's coming down kind of light. But let's head into the bedroom. Looks like they've got a couple of seats tucked back there too. That's nice. A couple of foldable chairs. So a lot of seating in this place, which is something I really appreciate. Look, even chair there.
See?
Chair here, which is great because Rachel and I's home is very tiny and we're limited on space. So like when we go somewhere and there's like a couch and chairs, we're like, yeah. So yeah, just next to the bed, there's a couple of end tables with lamps. Be nice for reading. Tuck your stuff in there, your phone or whatever you've got. Nice bed here. I think someone said it was a foam bed. Oh, it's nice and stiff, which actually I love, so that's great. Felt like a real firm memory foam. These are just real big, like IKEA type storages. Generally, you'll find these in Europe all over the place. So yeah, there's just a ton of storage there. Couple seats, like I said, for you to throw on your shoes or get your slippers on at night or whatever. Here's a nice mirror and dresser here. Another little spot to sit down. And here's just this patio area. It's actually, I think it's a non-smoking unit, but I think he was okay with smoking on the patio with the door closed. There was an ashtray available, and he said to bring it out here if we were needing to smoke. For smokers, we aren't tobacco smokers, so we probably will not utilize it for that. But for those of you who don't smoke, it does not smell like tobacco or anything or smoke at all whatsoever in the unit, so there's that. Here's the little view from this patio area. It's quite a far view. You can see actually we're very limited because of the clouds and there's this light snow falling, but we should be able to see quite a bit of mountains back in that area when it clears up. But yeah, just back here is just the hot water heater that also controls the radiators there that are all over the unit. There was actually quite a bit of them. Thanks for checking us out. I'll put a link in the bottom for Airbnb for credit upon first sign up and first booking. I will also receive a credit, or if you know anyone who has Airbnb, get the code from them and you guys will both get credit. But yeah, thanks again for watching.